Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. Hi everyone. Take a look at this picture of dogs of the world. There are so many different kinds of dogs. They're all dogs, but they come in different colors and different shapes and different sizes. They have lots of different characteristics. They look differently. They act differently sometimes. If we were writing a story, we would want to describe our characters, how they look, how they act. If we were telling somebody about a dog, we would describe its color, its shape, its size, how it behaves. All these characteristics, when we talk about them in science, we call them traits. These dogs have many different traits. What I'd like you to do is take a look at the picture and choose a dog. Look at it closely and notice all of its traits. Then I want you to make a list of them. For example, I chose the very first dog in the upper corner, and I'm calling it dog 1 because we're going to choose a different dog later. So make a list, call it dog 1 traits. I wrote that this dog has brown and black fur, it has short fur, it has a long tail, its tail goes up, its ears are folded down, its nose is not pointy, and it has long legs compared to the other dogs near it. Your list might look a little different. If you can think of other traits, that's great. Next, I want you to pick a second dog. We're going to make a list of that dog's traits. Write them down. Make a list called Dog 2 Traits. Pay close attention to whether it has traits that are the same or different. Next, I want you to imagine that those two dogs are parents. One's a mom dog and one's a dad dog. If they had puppies, what would those puppies look like? Puppies usually take after their parents. They look a little bit like a mom in some cases, a little bit like a dad in some cases, or sometimes kind of a mix of the two. So I want you to make a third list, and this list is your puppy traits. I want you to imagine what a puppy would look like if it had your two dogs as its mom and dad. Make a list of the traits that it might have. So for example, if a mom has long fur and the dad has spots, maybe the puppy might have long fur and spots. Now you might be wondering, what if you chose one large dog and one small dog? What would the puppy look like? Well, sometimes a puppy looks more like the mom, sometimes it looks more like the dad, sometimes it's kind of halfway in between the two. So you get to pick. After you make your third list, I'd like you to make a drawing. It doesn't have to be beautiful, this isn't art class, but make a drawing. Show me what the puppy would look like and show me all the traits that your puppy would have. This helps us to realize how important traits are and that animals inherit traits from their parents. They're passed along from the parents to the puppies. Take a picture or a video and share your puppy in Flipgrid.